Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we are here at Sante Spa Cuisine, a vegetarian restaurant that also serves up gluten-free, vegan, and alkaline options. One of the things we loved about the space walking through it is that they have a cozy little book corner as well as a place for kids and a pet-friendly space. And we can't wait to try out the dishes, so let's go and check it out. Dishes that we really enjoyed at Sante Spa Cuisine. First, let's start with the Chocolate Granola Smoothie bowl. That was absolutely heavenly. It has no added sugar except for what's already in the chocolate, and it is honestly to die for. If you come here, you have to try it. We also really enjoyed the beetroot and spinach hummus. It's absolutely delicious. It's served with kakra made from ragi, so super healthy, super delicious, amazingly flavorsome. We also really enjoyed the pizzas that they serve up here. It's again served with the ragi base, but full of vegetables and goodness, and it's super healthy. One of the things we really enjoyed about eating here was that all the food is super healthy, but super delicious as well. So they don't compromise on taste at all. In fact, it tastes even better than some unhealthy food. For the mains, we had an absolutely amazing kale pesto pasta served with whole wheat spaghetti, so it's super healthy and super delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.